Okay, so we finally got that trench dug out. Man, that was a pain in the arse. Not been able to use old Casey over there. Casey, 2 weeks out, gonna get that done, gonna get that sorted. So in the meantime, we have a trench, and yes, okay, it is a bit of a snake run. Good thing that that's not footing, because it is all over the place. It is just for a bit of drainage, so I'm not too worried. Right, so now that we've got that hole dug out, let's just crack on, get a few pipes in there, try and get some falls set out, and tap into that old soak away. So let's get back to it. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, can I introduce you please to a lump of cheddar cheese? If you know what song that is, down in the comments, let me know. It'd be interesting to see how many. I guarantee you only anyone who's from England will know that song. If you're an American or Australian and know that song, please, down in the comments, let me know. Anyway, I'm not introducing you to a lump of cheddar cheese. I'm introducing you to the newly finished drain run. Here we go. Starting there, we've done all this before. Coming straight through here. Now this is something I'll come back to, but yeah, we go through straight down, straight run all the way down. It's got a lovely fall on it. And then we'll quickly go to the connection. So it's running down here all the way along and then tees off into that with a nice little 45, actually I think it's a 30-degree bend on there, into there, straight along down into the soakaway. Now, something that I think quite a lot of you are already typing as I'm saying this, quite a few people have said I need to put an inspection chamber here. When it comes to inspection chambers, you normally put them in, correct me if I'm wrong please, but it's every time you change a direction and every 10 meters. It might have changed, but like I said, if I'm wrong, let me know down in the comments. However, this is for foul drain run. When it comes to rainwater, I don't think that applies. Again, if I'm wrong, please do let me know, because I don't know everything in the world and I'm probably a little bit rusty with my drainage requirements. Hence why I'm looking forward to get the building inspector out. But anyway, I think that's all good. I don't think I've ever seen a rainwater going into a soakaway with an inspection chamber like this. Yeah, I hear what you're all saying. It's probably a good idea, because if it does get bunged up, I can rod it from here. But I'm not going to be covering this in straight away, because there's no way I'm going to fill all these trenches in by hand. So all this is probably going to get done with the digger in the next in about 2 weeks, once Gary comes to fix it. So I'm going to pea shingle everything. I'll probably have the building inspector come around and I'll probably ask his opinion, but I doubt I will be putting anything in there. But I hear what you're saying, and me saying I'm not going to do it, I am probably going to regret it. So I might even put an inspection chamber in there, but have it sort of, I don't know, about a foot below the finished grass, and sort of measure it off the building so I know where it is. If I do need to get in there, I can dig it up, but I don't really want an inspection chamber, a cover in the middle of the lawn. I know you can get the ones where you fill it in, but I don't really want that in the middle of the lawn. I'd rather have it hidden, so if I have to get to it, I can dig it out. But yeah, let me know down below, what do you all think? I know quite a lot of you are going to say, yeah, put an inspection chamber in, but I'd also like to know if I have to put one in, because I don't think I do. Anyway, interesting to know. Let's go back over to this funny little shape over here. So yeah, the funny old U shape. I quite like the fact that I've used these P gullies, because one, you can clean out all the silt and sand from the bottom of here without it going down your run. So that's why I'm saying I probably don't need to put an inspection chamber in, because I doubt there'll be anything going down there. But the other thing, this comes in quite handy, because just put a 90 in there would have been, well, actually saying that, it probably would have been quite easy, but a bit of a pain. The only one thing is we have got DPC there. I don't know if you can see that, but there's DPC. So 150. This is probably borderline a bit under 150, but luckily we got an absolute buck ton of room there. So I'm just going to chop probably about, well, the difference between there to 150 off the bottom of this pipe. Just push it down a little bit. That's it. Bob's drunk, all fannies are on, we're all good. It's not on the end, but that doesn't really bother me. I can just tee this off with the 45s, have it a bit more of an angle coming down, and just straight in there. Oh, that's a good sound. Anyway, so yeah, we're looking good with the drain run. I actually probably dug this out a little bit too much than I should have done. Got a little bit away with myself with the shovel. But yeah, we're looking good. So what we're going to do is, the next protocol is we are going to need to put pea shingle in all of this. I'm going to go around, you probably saw from the time lapse, I went around and checked it all with the level to make sure we got a full. We got a fantastic fall on this side, so we're looking good. But we're going to go around, pea shingle it. So we're probably going to tackle all that tomorrow, because it did take a lot longer than I'd expected to get that drainage done. Obviously I had to finish digging it out as well. So what we'll do, we'll leave it there for today. Click this playlist here if you're interested in learning how to lay bricks. Click this playlist here if you want to see this whole house build vlogs from day one. With that being said, I'll see you all tomorrow, so take care and I'll see you then. Toodaloo.